Good morning students, this is the class for 8th standard science subject and physics, our third lesson. Already our first two lesson is finished, okay. So our third lesson is light, okay. So first we are going to learn about the introduction about the light, okay. So the first one is light is a form of energy, okay. So the light is a one type of form of energy like a sound wave, okay. Next, the light which travels in a straight line. Always the light will travels in a straight line from one place to another place, okay. So the next one is in this lesson we are going to learn briefly about the two concepts. One is the laws of reflection and another one is the laws of refractions, okay. So the first one, reflection, okay. So what is mean by reflection means bouncing back of light, okay. So the light which is falling on a mirror, it will be bounced back like a football, okay. That is a hit on any large surface area, okay. So the reflection means it's a bouncing back of light, okay. Then the second one is refraction, okay, which means bending of light from one medium to another medium, okay, like air and water, okay. Air is a rarer medium and water is a denser medium, okay. So the light which travels from a air medium to denser medium means the path of the light, okay, the path of the light or the way of the light, it will be slightly bent to another medium, okay. So the refraction means shortly we can define as bending of light, okay, whereas reflection means bouncing back of light, okay students. The first one is mirrors, okay. So we use in our daily life, okay, day-to-day life, we use the mirrors for the various purposes, okay. For example, we use for our beautifying us, okay. So our purpose is beautifying us. We use the mirror for the purpose of beautifying us, okay. So the second one is the mirror is a optical device which has the polished surface, okay. So the mirror is a optical instruments or optical device which has the polished surface, okay. The next one is it reflects the light that is falling on it, okay. So the light, what will be the amount, okay, that amount of light which will be returned back to the incident light, okay. So the mirror is the reflection device, okay. So it reflects the light that fall on it, okay. Then the mirror has a planed surface as well as the curved surface, okay. So the mirror has two surfaces, one is planed surface and another one is curved surface, okay. So the next, what is mean by mirror, okay. So the mirror is a glass sheet that coated with, okay. So the mirror means it's a glass sheet that coated with aluminum or silver, okay. Al means aluminum and Ag means silver, okay. So the mirror is a glass sheet that coated with aluminum or silver which will be produce the light, okay. So that coated surface which will be produce the image of the light. The next, the shape of the mirror which determines the type of the image which will be forms, okay. So the type of the image, okay, that will be determined by the shape of the mirror, okay. So it determines the types of the image, okay. The next one is plane mirror which will forms the perfect image, okay. So for we can attain the perfect image means we use the what mirror, which type of mirror? Plane mirror, okay. So we use the plane mirror means we get the perfect image, okay. Whereas we use the curved mirror means it will forms the enlarged image or diminished image. Diminished means like a dull image, okay. It will not look like bright image, okay. So it will be diminished image. Whereas in the case of a curved mirror, okay, in the case of a plane mirror we get a perfect image, okay. But in the case of a curved mirror we get a enlarged image or diminished image, okay. So the next one is type of mirror, okay. So the mirror is split up into two types. So the first one is plane mirror and the second one is curved mirror, okay. Then further the curved mirror is split up into four parts. The first one is spherical mirror and second one is cylindrical mirror and third one is parabolic mirror and the last one is ellipsoid mirror, okay. What is that? Ellipsoid mirror, okay. So first we have to learn briefly about the spherical mirrors, okay. So these are the one form of curved mirror, okay. So spherical spherical mirrors are the one type of the curved mirror. Okay, so under the curved mirror, the first one is spherical mirror. Okay, then if the curved mirror is a part of a sphere, okay, so the curved mirror is look like a part of a sphere. It look like a part of a sphere means like that. Okay, part of a sphere. Okay, so that is known as the spherical mirror. For example, concave mirror and convex mirror. Okay, so these both are under the categories comes under the categories of spherical mirror. Okay students, thank you.